Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn or know about the history of Gangubai Angal, and some great persons and special talent or skills. Okay, and also poets and artists, scientists, singers, and social reformers of Karnataka, and so many physically challenged people having special talent. So with example, and also so we see the life history of Thomas Alva Edison and the science with letters, and also specific movement of hand or fingers convey the specific meanings. For example, some signs and their meanings are given below, so we should know them. Okay, all these things. So here we discuss, before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we discussed about the Kitturu Rani Channamma. Here Channamma was born in small village called Kakati, so in Belagavi district. So Kakati is in Belagavi district. She was a brave girl. Here Channamma was a brave girl. So Channamma learnt horse riding, sword fighting, so archery in her childhood. She learned the skills of warfare in her childhood. So then she got married to Mallasarja Desai. That means so Rani Channamma's husband is Mallasarja Desai. So he is the king of Kittur and she became a queen of Kittur. After death of Mallasarja, she fought bravely against the British and she has been called a brave woman. So and also Kuppalli Venkatappa Puttappa. The short name of Kuppalli Venkatappa Puttappa. So Kuvempu. Kuvempu was born at Kuppalli. He is famous as a national poet. So he wrote our Nadagite is Jai Bharata Janani Tanujate, which was sing every day in our schools. So he is the first Kannadiga poet to get the Gnanapita award for his writing. So he wrote Kindari Jogi, Nanna Gopala, Amalana Kate, etc. for children. Kuvempu is famous in the literacy field. So started reading and writing stories, poems, books. So in the childhood, Kuvempu became a great poet by the encouragement of many people. Okay, so now let us see the life history of Gangubai Angal. So here this is a picture of Gangubai Angal. So Gangubai, who was born in Dharwad, is very famous in India for her singing. Okay, Gangubai, who was born in Dharwad, is very famous in India for her singing. So when she was 13 years old, her parents recognized, so that means identified her interest in music and admit her to a music school. So after learning both Hindustani and Carnatic music, so she gave many music concerts, so in many places of India. Okay, and she got many awards. She gave many music concerts over the radio. She is very famous in Hindustani music. Here Gangubai Angal is very famous in Hindustani music. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Gangubai was born in Dharwad. He is very famous in India for her singing. Okay, when she was 13 years old, so her parents recognized her interest. When Gangubai Angal was 13 years old, so then her parents recognized her interest in music and admitted her to a music school. After learning both Hindustani and Carnatic music, she gave many music concerts, so in many places of India. Okay, she got many awards. She gave many music concerts over the radio. She is very famous in Hindustani music. Okay, so then many people have become great because of their special talents and skills. So many people have become great persons because of their special talents and skills. So read about them from the books available in your school or library. So here you should make a list of the persons who are famous for their special qualities and skills in your locality. Collect the information about them with the help of your elders and write it in the table given below. So here you should write the names of great persons and their special talent or skill. Okay. So and also many physically challenged people having special talent. Many physically challenged people having special talent and skills. So achieved something and got recognized in the world. So their determination helped them in their achievement. Okay. So many physically challenged people having special talent and skills achieved something and got recognition in the world. So their determination helped them in their achievement. So here is a such history of or story of such a person. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison. Here Edison was a poor in mathematics in his childhood. Okay, so he could not pronounce the words properly. So he attended the schools only for 3 months. So he had severe fever and his hearing was affected. Okay. Edison was very poor in mathematics in his childhood. So he could not pronounce the words properly also. Okay, he attended school only for 3 months and he had a severe fever and his hearing was affected. And he became deaf. Okay. So he had to leave school. Mother took extra care of him and gave him education at home. So mother took extra care of him and gave him education at home. And he grew into a famous scientist. And invented many things. Electric bulb which glows in our houses is one of his important inventions. Okay. So here you should write what do you learn from the life of Edison. Here you should write here. So I will once again repeat it. Thomas Alva Edison. Edison was very poor in mathematics in his childhood. So he could not pronounce words properly also. So he attended the school only for 3 months. So he had severe fever and his hearing was affected. Okay. So he became deaf. He had to leave school. Mother took extra care of him and gave him education at home. And finally he grew into a famous scientist and he invented many things. So electric bulb which glows in our houses is the one of his important inventions. So in next class we are discussing more things. Thank you and all.